Need to use dictation in a different language on your iPhone? Adding a new language to the dictation makes it easy to communicate in the language you prefer, whether for work, school, or staying in touch with family and friends. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to set it up. Let's get started. How to add a new language to iOS dictation. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Keyboard. Under the Keyboard section, tap Add New Keyboard. Select the language you want to add from the list. This will enable that keyboard on your iPhone. Go back to the keyboard settings and scroll to the bottom. Tap Dictation Languages under the Enable Dictation toggle. Select the newly added language to enable it for dictation. You can add multiple languages if needed. How to use dictation in the added language. Open any app with a text field such as Messages or Notes. Tap the globe icon on the keyboard to switch to the added language. Tap the microphone icon and start speaking in the selected language. Your speech will be converted into text in the chosen language. If this guide was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. I will see you in the next video.